Hello students, I am back with my next video for class 7th. In this video, I am going to explain you the question answer of chapter number 4, which I have already explained you in my previous video. The chapter name is The Two Magician. आपको याद होगा दो जादूगरों की कहानी थी जिसमें एक को इमेजिन करता है कि उसके जो गुरु हैं वो उनके पास वापस आए हैं, कुछ ऐसे करके स्टोरी थी. Now I am going to tell you the question answers. First B part. Will you agree to my proposal? Who is the speaker? What was his proposal? Answer is Tirupura Babu is the speaker. The proposal was that Tirupura Babu would perform in place of Surapati. Second part. Who had the listener not agreed? Why had the listener not agreed to the proposal initially? The listener didn't agree for the proposal because this was the first time that he was performing outside Bengal. C part. Did the listener change his mind? Yes, the listener changed his mind. B क्वेश्चन का सेकेंड पार्ट आप लोग देख सकते हो, मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है डू इट योरसेल्फ. अनिल सुरापति कॉल्ड कम हियर नाउ वॉच दिस. ये आपको खुद इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स खुद करने हैं. नाउ आंसर इन डिटेल. हाउ डिड त्रिपुरा गेट Surapati to agree to his request? When Tirupura Babu asked Surapati to take knave out of his pack of cards, Surapati realized that his fingers numb and soon his arm felt paralyzed. But after some time, Surapati was all right again. Then he asked Tirupura Babu to teach him this trick in the return of the acceptance to the proposal of Tirupura Babu. See the first part. Compare and contrast Surapati's ambitions with Tirupura Babu. Surapati learned the magic tricks from Tirupura Babu and started making money. From it, he started doing stage shows in and outside Bengal to earn name, fame and money. But Tirupura Babu, who was more skilled than Surapati, just wasted and taught magic tricks to others only to earn respect, but at last he needed money for the survival. Of his life, at this time he did not have any money to do so. The summary of the chapter, question number 2. D ka first part. Why do you think Tirupura made request to Surapati? Tirupura Babu made request to Surapati to perform in place of him because he wanted to earn money as he was not able to survive at the last stage of life. Now I am going to tell you the summary of this chapter. The chapter The Two Magician has been taken from the book Buzzword Part 7. It is written by Satyajit Ray. In this chapter, a magician named Surapati was going to Lucknow to perform his first magic show on the stage. While he was sitting in his carriage, an old man entered the carriage. Surapati recognized that the man was Tirupura Babu, his guru. Tirupura Babu also recognized Surapati. Tirupura Babu started that he taught his all magic tricks to others and didn't care of making money. Now when his financial condition was very bad and he didn't had anything to survive, he kept a proposal in front of Surapati according to the proposal, Tirupura Babu would perform in place of Surapati, and in return, Tirupura would give him half of the earnings. Surapati denied first, but when Tirupura showed him two best magic tricks, then he decided to accept the proposal. But he wanted to learn those two magic tricks at the end of the story when Anil, Surapati's assistant, came to wake him up. Surapati recognized that it was only his ambition and dream. In dream, his guru taught him his best two magic tricks, which he played on the stage to pay a tribute to his guru Tirupura Babu. So students, this was the summary. You can see the pictures, you can also listen to the video and then do it in your notebook neatly and clearly. मैंने आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन छोड़ा है बस, जो आपको करना है खुद. ये है बी क्वेश्चन का सेकंड पार्ट, आप लोगों ने खुद करना है, कॉपी में होंगे. टिल देन, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ एंड बाय फॉर नाउ.